Leading is strength. Leading is courage. Leading is motivation. Leading is Zhongshan Sunshine Electrical Appliance Tech Company Limited, with 10 years of continuous development, is committed to create quality life and deliver warmth to every family. Sunshine will continue to carry the mission of making home warmer, persevere in the mission of creating value for customers and success of customers, creating value for employees and success of employees, creating value for corporate associates and success of corporate associates. Creating products in detail, we focus on building healthier, more energy-saving, more comfortable, safer and practical high-tech products. As a professional supplier specializing in high-end electric fireplace and furniture, Sunshine, after a decade of experience, has developed and patented a wide scope of products and designs. Zhongshan Sunshine Electrical Appliance Tech Company Limited strives to create the future by leading the industry and forging a corporate legacy. In 2011, company was founded in Zhongshan, Henan. In 2012, company's turnover reached 10 million RMB. In 2013, overcame difficulties and challenges, managing to recover and grow continuously. In 2014, company's products entered to the mainstream markets. In 2015, sales exceeded 100,000 units. In 2016, company's turnover exceeded 60 million RMB. In 2017, nominated by the local government as High-Tech Lean Production Enterprise. In 2018, company's turnover reached 1 billion RMB. The annual production output exceeded 350,000 units. In 2019, our international and domestic e-commerce business unit became the first to join Alibaba's supplier growth plan for fireplaces. Joined the Advanced Talent Incentive Mechanism of Alibaba and established Sunshine Home Product Vietnam Company Limited. The products of Zhongshan Sunshine Electrical Appliance Tech Company Limited have passed the national and international quality certifications ISO 9001-2015, CCC, EMC, CSA, CE, ERP, GS, ROSE, and has grown into the largest and most advanced electric fireplace manufacturer in China. Each honor embodies Sunshine's technological strength, witnessing the shining footprints of businessmen and sages, and successfully provides high-end electric fireplaces for millions of families around the world. Brand-driven management, quality achievement, and the rapid development of Sunshine. Growing quality are the core values of Sunshine to success. Starting from exploration and developing from surpassing, Sunshine's production technology has always been in the forefront of the world. The company now has 12 automatic assembly lines, 7 in China plus 5 in Vietnam, which are suitable for the general assembly of various types of fireplaces. 5% of the annual sales turnover is invested in R&D. A 400 square meter professional product test center is established, equipped with high-precision temperature tester, electrical performance tester, noise test room, high and low temperature, constant temperature and humidity tester, durability test room, salt spray tester, drop and vibration test and other equipment, which can meet all types of inspection and test requirements of parts and components of the whole series of products and the whole machine. The test center is approved by UL, CSA, CE, and other testing agencies. Sunshine look far ahead with a high plane of science and technology and take the lead in the pursuit of high quality. Over the past few years, the pace of industry development of Sunshine has always been the top priority. This speed is always reflected in the service field. With first-class and high-quality services, more than 1 million users have witnessed the high quality of sunshine. Zhongshan Sunshine Electric Technology Company Limited gives you the safest warmth, makes your home warmer.